Ladies and gentlemen, there's an update on the Michael Orr and the Tuohy family. They are now trying to say he's trying to extort $15 million out of them. And, so much for your adopted son, right? Mm-mm-mm. Tuohy family claims Michael Orr blindsided them with money demand. Think how it will look. I don't think they should go anywhere with this lawsuit, being that you brainwashed him into believing he was adopted when you put that conservatorship on him. That should be thrown out. So the families whose decision to take Michael in when he was in high school became the basis for the book and the adaptation of the movie The Blind Side. Well, Sean and Leanne Toohey made allegations in court, a recent court filings this past Tuesday in Shelby County, Tennessee, probate court amid ongoing battle with Orr, as a Super Bowl champion claimed he did not receive his fair share of the royalties from the family. And I believe that. Not only did they split the money they claimed, they also split it with their two children, which that should absolutely not have happened. So we know everything was based on The Blind Side and the story of Michael, which they made him look completely stupid in. So, according to court documents, Orr became more estranged from the Tuohys, believing incorrectly that they had not paid him the money he was owed following his retirement from the NFL. Orr allegedly made demands for money in two separate occasions, first for $10 million and then raising his demand to $15 million. Or allegedly told the family that he was telling the world he was robbed by his parents. If something isn't resolved this Friday, I'm going to go ahead and tell the world that I was robbed by my supposed to be parents. That's the headline, or allegedly wrote in text. Think how it will look when this comes out. Well, if it's in text, then they should be able to show that. Or claims he was robbed out of more than $50 million and then later lowered the number to $10 million, according to documents. Now, these are documents that the Tuohys filed. When the Tuohys refused to meet his demand or raised the number back to $15 million, the documents say. Lawyers say the documents that November 8th legal filings showed that Orr and the Tuohys were paid the same amount, $138,311. A representative for Orr, he said, he did not immediately respond for comment. So, or allege that the petition in August that he discovered in February, he was never legally adopted by Sean and Leanne Toohey and was tricked into entering a conservatorship after his 18th birthday. In September, a judge ended that conservatorship, but the legal fight continues over money. Lawyer Randy Fishman, who represents the Tuohy, said last month that references to Oher being their adopted son was removed from the couple's websites and public speaking material. Yeah, they had it out there. Okay, so if you entered a conservatorship, why were you putting everywhere in documentation on your website and virtually everywhere, and even saying it in interviews that you adopted Michael? I mean, they had it everywhere. So you can see the lawyer said they removed it. They removed the reference that they adopted him from the website. They had a family website and public speaking materials. Mm-mm-mm. Or was drafted in the first round in 2009 NFL draft by the Baltimore Ravens, where he would play 5 seasons and win one Super Bowl. After a brief stint with the Tennessee Titans, he signed with the Carolina Panthers, but was eventually released in 2017. So that's the latest update that the Tuohy's filed. So, I really think Michael got them on the basis of, you know, brainwashing him into believing that he was adopted and he wasn't, and the fact that they had that he was adopted even on their family website and everything. No, I think he really got them on that. So they're going to file this out of the blue, right? Mm-mm. I don't believe the Tuohys. I really don't. I think they're con artists and believed it since this whole thing broke. But y'all, you're going to have to tell me what you think about this latest update in the court filings. And I really hope that Michael wins this lawsuit against him. And I really do believe he is owed money that they have stolen from him. Please leave your comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace, family.